Good morning to all of you. Today we will study on the taxonomy characters of angiosperm. You think how can we differentiate into two plants or more than two plants? It can be possible only taxonomic characters of angiosperm. Now we will study. Today we will study on taxonomic characters, important taxonomic characters. There are many types of plant. Number one, annuals. Plants that grows only for 1 year, that is called annual. Number second, biennial. Plants that grows only for 2 years, that means it is called biennials. Perennials. Plants that grows on 2 years or more than 2 years, that is called perennials. Aquatic. Plants that grows on water, that means it is called aquatic plants. Parasitic. Plants that grows on other plants only for food and water, it means that is called parasitic. Next. First, it is based on habit and habitat. Habit and habitat. Second, based on root. There are two types of roots. Number one, taproot or adventitious root. Taproot, it is found in the dicotyledons, and adventitious root it is found on monocotyledons. Number third, stem. There are many types of stem. Number one, erect stem. If stem is strong, that means it is called erect stem. Number second, herbaceous. If we can broken stem into two parts, if stem is broken out, that means it is herbaceous. If stem is not broken into two parts, it means it is herbaceous plant. Herbaceous stem. Number third, woody stem. If stem is broken into two parts, that means it is woody stem. Hairy stems. If there is hairs present on stem, it means stem is hairy. Next, flower. Before flower, we will study on leaf. Leaf. There are different types of leaf. Number one, petiolate. If there is a petiole in the flower, that means leaf is petiolate. Sessile. If there is no petiole in the flower, means there is no small stem on the basis of flower, it means leaf is sessile. Then apex of leaf. There are many apexes of leaf. Number one, acicular. If leaf is needle-like, that means it is acicular leaf. Number second, serrate leaf. If leaf is like this, that means it is called serrate leaf. Now we will study on flower. If the male flower and female flower present on the same plants, that means it is dioecious plant. If the flower is present on the different plants, means male flower and female flower are present on different plants, it means it is unisexual plant. Dioecious and monoecious. is means hermaphrodite. It is also called hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodite. Then if actinomorphic and zygomorphic. When all the parts, that means calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium are present, are plant, that means it is actinomorphic. If there is one flower part are absent in the flower, means calyx, corolla and androecium, gynoecium. If calyx, suppose calyx is absent in the flower, that means it is zygomorphic. Actinomorphic, symbol of actinomorphic is like this, and zygomorphic, symbol of zygomorphic means percentage. Okay. Then after flower, floral part of leaf, floral parts. Number 1, calyx. Calyx. If the unit of calyx is sepals. It means sepals. If all the parts of sepals are free from each other, that means it is polysepalous. And all the petals of the calyx is each other, that means it is all the parts of sepals is joined with each other, that means it is gamosepalous. Corolla. Same thing is this, that unit of corolla is sepals, petals. It means if the same condition as it is calyx. Number 3, androecium and gynoecium. Androecium means if androecium denoted by G. Androecium, it is different types of androecium in flower, such as monothecous, dithecous, etc. And then gynoecium. Gynoecium, the unit of gynoecium is carpel. It is also different types of in flower. There is hypogynous, perigynous and epigynous. If hypogynous, if the ovary is superior, that means calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium are both the present at the lower base of ovary. It means ovary is superior, and there all parts of flower, all parts of floral parts, that is calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium, are present on the apex of the ovary. That means ovary is epigynous. That's it. Okay.